Welcome to part 96 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems, talking to customer service. I'd like to speak to customer service. Example. I'd like to speak to customer service about my order. I need some assistance. Example. I need some assistance with my account. There's an issue with my order. Example. There's an issue with my order. It hasn't arrived yet. Could you check it for me? Example. Could you check it for me, please? I'll look into it. Example. I'll look into it and get back to you soon. Thank you for your patience. Example. Thank you for your patience while we check the issue. We've solved the problem. Example. We've solved the problem. Everything is working now. Is there anything else I can help you with? Example. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Have a great day. Example. Have a great day. Thank you for contacting us. Mini conversation. Customer, I'd like to speak to customer service. There's an issue with my order. Agent, I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what happened? Customer, could you check it for me, please? Agent, certainly. I'll look into it. Thank you for your patience. Customer, great. Thank you for your help. Daily tip. When talking to customer service, explain your problem clearly and politely. Give important details, listen carefully, and thank the agent for their assistance. Good communication often leads to faster solutions. Speaking challenge. Imagine you need help with an online order. Contact customer service, explain the problem, ask them to check your order, thank them for their patience and assistance, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 97. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.